Listen up. AI isn't the threat. You know what is. People using it faster than you are that wake up. The game's changed. It's not about who's got the best plan anymore. It's about who's moving the fastest. Speed wins that every single time. You sitting there trying to make everything perfect? That's your first mistake. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be done or finished. Out there in the world, look around. The people getting rich right now, they're not the ones with the fancy degrees or the 50-page business plans. They're the ones launching fast and learning even faster. You've got tools at your fingertips that can change everything. ChatGPT and 8N. Midjourney. These aren't just fancy tech words. They're your secret weapons. Use them every single day. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Launch broken. Yeah, you heard me right. Launch it broken, then fix it fast. That's how you win in this new world. You think AI is going to replace you? Think again. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces slow people, the ones who can't keep up, the ones still doing things the old way. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Faster. It's about leveraging every tool at your disposal to stay ahead of the curve. You've got two choices right now. You can keep doing what you've always done, playing it safe, waiting for the perfect moment. Or you can embrace the chaos, move fast, and start winning. The clock's ticking. Every second you waste is a second someone else is using to get ahead, to build their empire while you're still planning yours. So, what's it gonna be? Are you going to let AI and the fast movers leave you in the dust? Or are you going to step up, take action, and start dominating? The future belongs to those who move fast, who adapt quickly, who aren't afraid to fail, learn, and keep pushing forward. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let perfectionism paralyze you. The only way to win is to start that now. So here's what you're going to do. Right after this video, you're going to take action. Launch that product. Start that channel. Write that book. Whatever it is, do it now. No more excuses. No more waiting. The time is now. You've got the tools. You've got the knowledge. All you need is the guts to take that first step. Are you ready to stop being replaced and start dominating? Then hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. And let's start crushing it together. The future is fast. Make sure you're part of it.